Hello and welcome to this network hacking full course. I'm your host Cosmic Hacker X. In this video, we will begin with basics of IPs and scanning. Part 1. Understanding these fundamentals is essential before moving toward advanced topics in network security. Number 1. What is an IP address? An IP address, short for Internet Protocol address, is a unique numerical label assigned to each device connected to a network. It allows devices to identify and communicate with each other across the internet or local networks. Think of it as digital home address of your device. Number 2, DNS, Domain Name System. The DNS domain name system works like a phone book for the internet. While humans remember names such as google.com, computers rely on IP addresses. DNS translates those domains names into IP addresses so that browser can load the correct websites. Number 3, IPv4. Now let's talk about IPv4, the most commonly used version of Internet Protocol. It uses a 32-bit address format written as 4 number separated by dots. For example, 192.168.1.1. Even though IPv6 is becoming more popular, IPv4 is still widely in use across networks today. Number 4. Using ipconfig in CMD. On Windows systems, the ipconfig command is used to view and manage network configuration details. By typing ipconfig in the command prompt, you can see your IP address, the subnet mask, the default gateway. This helps you troubleshoot or verify your network setup. Number 5. Whois lookup for IP and domains. Another important tool in network reconnaissance is the Whois lookup. Whois IP. This command or tool provides details about who owns a particular IP address, including the organization and country it belongs to. Whois domain. Similarly, performing a Whois search on domain name reveals registration details, ownership information, and contact data. For instance, you can use websites like host.domainstools.com to check domain ownership and learn about the hosting provider. In summary, we covered the basics of IP addresses, DNS, IPv4, the use of ipconfig, and whois lookups for both IPs and domains. These concepts form the foundation for network scanning and hacking techniques, which we will explore in the upcoming sessions. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cybersecurity tutorials.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.